How do you find the sum of this series? Hello, welcome to my channel. In this math tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the sum of this series. This kind of series is a perfect example of a telescoping series, where every term is of the form 1 over n times n plus 1. So to find the sum, are you going to multiply the denominators and find the LCD? That would be time consuming and it may be practically impossible, especially when the terms are more than this. So I'm going to show you the trick to solving it and solving it very fast. As earlier said, you notice that the denominator of each term is a product of two consecutive whole numbers, while the numerator in every case is 1. And there's one thing about the numerator. It can be expressed as the difference between the two whole numbers in the denominator. So let us start with that. And here the first term will be 10 minus 9 over 9 times 10. The second, 11 minus 10 over 10 times 11. The third is going to be 12 minus 11 over 11 times 12. And it continues like that until the last term in the series. The next thing we shall be doing is to separate each term into partial fractions. So the first will be 10 over 9 times 10 minus 9 over 9 times 10. Added to the second, 11 over 10 times 11 minus 10 over 10 times 11. Plus the third, which is 12 over 11 times 12 minus 11 over 11 times 12. Added to the fourth, 13 over 12 times 13 minus 12 over 12 times 13. And the last one, 14 over 13 times 14 minus 13 over 13 times 14. Then looking closely, we see 10 can take out 10 here, 9 can take 9 out, 11 can take out 11, 10 taking out 10, 12 against 12 here, 11 taking out 11 here, 13 cancelling 13 out, 12 taking out 12, 14 taking out 14, and 13 taking out 13. So that we'll be left with 1 over 9 minus 1 over 10 from the first parenthesis. The second, 1 over 10 minus 1 over 11. Added to 1 over 11 minus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12 minus 1 over 13 plus 1 over 13 minus 1 over 14 from the last parenthesis. And obviously from here, negative 1 over 10 and positive 1 over 10 will go. Negative 1 over 11 and positive 1 over 11 will go as well. Minus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12 minus 1 over 13 plus 1 over 13, they will all disappear from the series, leaving us with just 1 over 9 minus 1 over 14, where the LCD of 9 and 14, just the two fractions left, is 126. And the equivalent fractions will be 14 over 126, then minus 9 over 126, which gives a final answer of 5 over 126. Isn't this a lovely trick? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, here is one for you. Find the sum, comment with your answer, and let me know how long it took you to get the right answer. Thank you for watching this video, and have a lovely day. Bye.